Good morning, students. I, a teacher of Ranaghat Yusuf Institution HS Co-ed, will discuss about periodic table of physical science class 10. Perhaps you watched my first lecture about periodic table. Thus, you know that in this chapter we will discuss about particular arrangement and the properties of elements. Today we will discuss about Mendelev's periodic law and his periodic table. The statement of the law is the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. Now we have to discuss about the utility of Mendelev's law. Firstly, it was Mendeleev who first stated that there was a periodic relation between the properties of an element and its atomic mass. Secondly, based on his periodic law, Mendeleev first made his periodic table. Now we will discuss about Mendeleev's periodic table. In the picture, a periodic table based on Mendeleev's periodic law is shown. Now, the characteristics of Mendeleev's periodic table are discussed one by one. Firstly, Mendeleev's periodic table contains 7 periods. Secondly, Mendeleev's periodic table contains 8 groups. Thirdly, except group 8, all the other groups contain 2 subdivisions, namely A and B. Fourthly, group 8 of each period contains 3 elements each. Mendeleev's periodic law as well as periodic table contains a number of limitations. We will discuss this now. Firstly, according to Mendeleev's law, the properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. But the actual picture is that the properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Secondly, in the table, the position of hydrogen is not fixed. Thirdly, there is no place in the table for inert gas. Fourthly, the atomic masses of isotopes of an element are different. Yet, in Mendeleev's periodic table, they are placed in same cell. Fifthly, the atomic mass of tellurium 127.61 is higher than that of iodine 126.9. Yet iodine is placed behind of tellurium. Similarly, thorium atomic mass 232.12 is placed behind protoactinium atomic mass 231, and potassium atomic mass 39.1 is placed behind argon atomic mass 39.94. Sixthly, Mendeleev had no sound logic to define why 3 elements are placed in group 8. Now we discuss about the position anomaly of hydrogen. There be a good similarity between the properties of hydrogen as well as group 1A elements. These similarities are discussed one by one. Like as group 1A elements, the valence of hydrogen is 1. Like as group 1A elements, hydrogen contains one electron in its valence shell. Like as group 1a elements, hydrogen is also a strong reducing agent. Like as group 1a elements, hydrogen also forms stable halide compounds with halogen elements. Now we will discuss about the dissimilarities between hydrogen and group 1a elements. At room temperature, group 1a elements are solid, but hydrogen is gas. Group 1a elements are metal, but hydrogen is a typical nonmetal. Group 1a elements contain low ionization potential, but the ionization potential of hydrogen is much higher. Group 1a elements are polyelectronic, whereas hydrogen is monoelectronic. There is a close similarity between the properties of hydrogen and that of group 7b elements. Now we have to discuss about those. Like as group 7b elements, hydrogen is also gaseous at room temperature. Like group 7b elements, hydrogen is also a nonmetal. Like group 7b elements, hydrogen is also diatomic. Like group 7b elements, the ionization potential of hydrogen is also very high. Group 7b elements form stable halide compounds with group 1a elements. Similarly, hydrogen forms stable hydride compounds with group 1a elements. Now we will discuss about the dissimilarities between hydrogen and group 7b elements. Group 7b elements are highly oxidizing agents. On the other hand, hydrogen is a strong reducing agent. Group 7b elements are colored elements, but hydrogen is colorless. Group 7b elements have specific odors. On the other hand, hydrogen is odorless. Group 7b elements are highly reactive, while hydrogen is relatively less reactive. Thus, the place of hydrogen in the periodic table is not specific. Hence, Mendeleev described hydrogen as naughty element. Today's session is closed here. If you like the discussion, please press the like button. To follow my next session, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you have any query, please comment me. I will try to answer it in next session. Thank you very much.